Hello everybody, welcome back to Channel Fan Machinery, extreme dangerous stump removal excavator and equipment. The Dipper Fox SC850 Pro Stump Crusher is the ultimate solution for efficient stump removal. Designed for 14 to 30T excavators, it delivers up to 31,000 pounds of torque, operates at 2,600 to 5,000 psi, and requires 29 to 58 gallon per minute hydraulic flow. Unlike traditional methods, this vertical stump grinder works quietly and safely with no flying debris and minimal impact from rocks. Its slow-speed, high-torque design ensures powerful, precise cutting with durable bolt-on blades and a central screw for easy maintenance. The South Carolina 850 Pro attaches to excavators and similar carriers, offering unmatched versatility, crush stumps multiple times faster, reduce downtime, and maximize productivity with the world's most advanced stump removal tool. The Denuser Intimidator is the ultimate land clearing tool for extreme stump removal and more. This powerful excavator attachment makes quick work of tough obstacles, delivering unmatched versatility. It can pull trees, stumps, shrubs, and posts with ease, saw through large tree roots, dig out stubborn stumps, boulders, and rocks, and carry heavy loads like trees, shrubs, and debris. Built for heavy-duty performance, the Intimidator is your go-to solution for efficient land clearing and obstacle removal. Whether tackling rugged terrains or prepping land for development, this innovative equipment ensures precision, power, and productivity every time. Clear the way with confidence. Experience the ultimate power in stump removal with the Westech Woodcracker W1000. Seamlessly attached to a mobile chipper. Designed for extreme and hazardous tasks, this cutting-edge excavator attachment tackles even the most challenging stumps with precision and efficiency. The robust construction and advanced hydraulics ensure quick and safe operation, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. Perfect for forestry, land clearing, and heavy-duty applications, the Woodcracker W1000 effortlessly transforms stubborn stumps into manageable wood chips. Its innovative design reduces labor and enhances safety, making it the top choice for professionals handling dangerous stump removal tasks. Efficiency meets durability. Take on the toughest jobs confidently. Extreme stump removal with powerful excavator equipment. When it comes to tackling stubborn stumps, not all tools are created equal. Enter the Extreme Stump Removal Excavator, an engineering marvel designed for the toughest jobs. Equipped with an extra-large stump cutter, this machine is as fierce as it is efficient. The stump cutter features a unique design resembling an eagle's beak, with sharp, curved edges that pierce deep into even the most hardened roots. Its cutting teeth, reminiscent of a rooster's crest, are meticulously engineered to slice and grind through tangled wood with ease. This combination of strength and precision ensures that no tree root is too challenging to remove. Whether the stump is surrounded by rocky soil or buried under dense vegetation, this excavator delivers unmatched performance. Its robust hydraulic system provides immense power, while its precision controls allow operators to navigate complex terrains effortlessly. The Extreme Stump Removal Excavator isn't just about brute force. It's a masterpiece of innovation, blending aggressive cutting capabilities with precision engineering. For anyone facing the daunting task of stump removal, this incredible machine ensures that the job is done quickly, safely, and effectively. Watch this extraordinary equipment in action and witness how it transforms even the most difficult stumps into mulch with ease. The Vermeer South Carolina 802 Stump Grinder is a powerhouse designed for unparalleled efficiency in tree care. With its high-performance engine and advanced cutting system, this machine takes stump grinding to a whole new level. Its robust build ensures durability, while the innovative auto-sweep system simplifies operations by adjusting the cutter wheel speed automatically, providing optimal performance with minimal effort. Capable of tackling stumps of various sizes, the South Carolina 802 is perfect for professional arborists and tree care experts seeking speed, reliability, and precision. Its ergonomic controls and safety features ensure ease of use and operator protection, making even the toughest jobs manageable. Whether you're clearing large properties or working in tight spaces, the South Carolina 802 delivers impressive results, saving time and effort. Choose the Vermeer South Carolina 802 Stump Grinder for your tree care needs and experience industry-leading performance. Extreme stump removal with John Deere 8100 and Rotor S Stump Grinder. When it comes to tackling extreme and dangerous stump removal tasks, the combination of the John Deere 8100 tractor and the Rotor S Stump Grinder is a game changer. This dynamic duo is designed to deliver precision, safety, and efficiency in the most challenging environments. The Rotor S Stump Grinder is a vertical cutter designed specifically for stump removal, offering unparalleled performance with minimal effort. Its low RPM operation enhances safety by reducing the risks associated with high-speed machinery. This feature ensures a controlled and secure grinding process, even in extreme conditions. Paired with the power of the John Deere 8100, the Rotor S becomes an unstoppable force. The sturdy tractor provides the stability and horsepower necessary to handle large stumps, while the grinder's cutting-edge design ensures a thorough and clean removal. This combination is perfect for professional landscapers, forestry workers, and property owners who need a reliable solution for stubborn stumps. By prioritizing safety and efficiency, this setup minimizes downtime and maximizes productivity. Whether you're clearing land for development or maintaining a pristine property, the John Deere 8100 and Rotor S Stump Grinder make even the toughest stump removal tasks look easy. Embrace the future of stump removal. Safe, efficient, and powerful.